89% of retail traders in India they lose money in options. SEBI said it, not me. And yet Instagram is filled with people showing like lakhs, thousands and thousands of profits in 2 minutes. So what's exactly going on? So are you chasing profits or you walking into a trap? So let's uncover the truth before the market actually eats your capital alive. So let's understand what the problem is first of all. So intraday option trading has become the new buzzword. Everyone is talking about it. Everyone wants to make quick money. From Telegram tips to flashy YouTube videos, everyone is promising like that you can make 5,000, 10,000 in like 5 minutes of trading or something like that. But the bitter truth is that SEBI's 2023 report showed that 89% of FNO traders they are losing money. It means like almost like 9 out of 10 people are losing money in the options trading. So the average loss you can say is that almost like people are losing 1.1 lakh per person, and only 11% make the profit, and most of that went up to only top 1%. So now ask yourself, do you want to gamble or you are here to grow the wealth? So first of all, if you're really serious about learning the real trading mindset and ethical investing, subscribe the channel below and hit the like button so that you don't miss any of the future videos. And we are here to helping you build sustainable wealth, not the overnight traps. So let's get back to the solution to the problem which we are talking. So first of all, you don't have to quit trading, but you must understand how the game is played before actually you play this game. So by the end of video, you will know why the most of the traders they fail, who actually wins this game, and what you should do instead. So let's break that in step by step format. Okay. First, the illusion of quick profits. So let's face it, like intraday option trading it feels like a shortcut to success. But remember the analogy. It's like if you are playing cricket on a treadmill. You can read also this particular video which I'm trying to say in a blog post also, where I have mentioned that like if you are trying to hit success but the ground beneath you like in a treadmill is moving, options premiums are volatile. If you have traded options, then you know that the premiums are volatile and the decay is very fast, and by the time you blink your profit turns into panic. Happened to you, right? Second is the role of emotion. So why psychology fails most traders? Because most traders they don't have a system. They operate on a gut feeling and YouTube tips, or maybe some kind of Telegram tips, or you might have some people who will be giving tips directly or indirectly. So, for example, you buy a C, it drops. You panic sell and you enter a PE, it reverses. You rage trade and it's not a strategy, it's a emotional suicide. Remember, the market doesn't punish wrong trades, it punishes undisciplined trades. Third, the power of algorithm and institutions. So here's the hard truth, like most of the profits in intraday options are eaten by the HFT, the high frequency trading algorithms. There is a smart money, institutions who have deep data access. You, on the other hand, are just trying to scalp Nifty Bank Nifty with zero edge. That's like trying to outrun, like, Usain Bolt, right? He's the fastest runner in the world. And you're wearing slippers and competing with Usain Bolt. So the real data which SEBI found in 2023 is that SEBI didn't guess it. It studied all the trades between financial year 2021 to 2022, all the way to 2023-24 also. So here's what they found is that majority of the retail traders they lose money even they win some trades, right? Sounds familiar because they often don't factor in brokerage, slippages, taxes. So losses increases with frequency of trades. So that's the reason only 1% make consistent returns. What you should do instead is that you don't worry that there is a smarter path. The smarter path is that learn swing trading, hold for a few days and ride the trend. Focus on the long term investing, like you buy the blue chip stocks, compounding returns. Thirdly, focus on mindset and risk. Know when to stay out of the trades. If you don't find that market is volatile right now, when I'm shooting this video, India has attacked on Pakistan. There are some Operation Sindur going on right now, so market will be volatile. And don't forget to join a community, because if you don't trade alone, so try to learn, share, and grow. So that's where this community helps you in maintaining your mindset during this path. And as I always say, don't try to trade to feel something, trade because you know something. So let's recap the key takeaways. It's like 89% of traders, they lose money in options. I'm not saying that, it's the SEBI data. Emotions, lack of system, and over trading kills profits. And institutions dominate the game. The real success lies in strategy, patience, and education. That's the most important thing. So let me know in the comment section below, like, have you ever experienced a loss due to emotional intraday trades? What would you like to learn next, like swing trading, investing mindset in our videos? And of course, like this video, share with your trading and investing friend, and subscribe for more real talks. This is why I have started the Stock Mantra Hub, and it is to create a space where traders and investors can learn ethical wealth building, and they can avoid emotional traps and build lasting freedom. So don't forget to join our Telegram, link is in the description, and read the full blog for the deeper insights. Let's grow your mindset, let's grow your money, let's grow together with the Stock Mantra Hub. Thank you. Have a great day. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share with your friends who are struggling in the stock market, and leave a comment down below about your biggest trading challenge. I'd love to help you tackle those in the future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more game changing contents. Okay. So remember, the stock market is a journey, not a sprint. It's not about how fast you make money. It's about how consistently you grow your wealth. As a part of TSM Hub community, you are never alone in this journey. Together, we'll master the art of trading and investing at a time. Until next time, keep learning, stay disciplined, and let's build that financial freedom together. So see you soon in the next video, and have a great day. Thank you.